Hi tubers, and welcome back. Today I'm doing a weather update. This isn't the type of video I usually do. I have a couple of DIY projects on hold right now, and this is part of the reason for it. Back in February on the 24th, it was a Saturday, we had the storm come through and knock down several trees. This weeping willow has been here for over 30 years, weathered many a storm. The top of it actually twisted off one time, but it just kept growing and never had any problem with it. I have this part right here. My wife saw it when it came down. She said the wind blew the tree in one direction, then quickly changed, and when it twisted, it just twisted right out. It pulled it out of the ground, but it also snapped the trunk. We've been having some crazy weather up here. This is mid-state New York, and the snow is a heavy, wet snow, doing a lot of damage in the area. Just a couple inches of snow, but it did a lot of damage. You can see over here, we have the grass is starting to grow. There were buds on the trees, and we get the snowstorm. I don't know what's going on with this weather, but it seems like it's getting crazier and crazier every year. A few other trees came down on this end, and all throughout the back, a tree here and a tree there came down. Well, guys, we had another storm in between the shooting of this video. This is day 11 and storm 3. On Friday, we had a northeasterner come through. That was March 2nd. Had a couple inches of snow, and by Sunday, most of it was gone. The weather warmed right up. You see, I even had the barbecue out. Today is March 7th, Wednesday, March 7th, and they predicted anywhere from 6 to 18 inches of snow. It started real late this afternoon, so I thought maybe the storm was going to blow over. It was coming down real fine, nothing much, but then it started. Outside right now, we have over 6 inches of snow. I went out and measured. Looking at the tree tops, it's a winter wonderland, but the damage it does down below, this is a wet, heavy snow. It's supposed to continue until 7 o'clock a.m. tomorrow, Thursday. So I don't know how much it's going to come down. It was getting a little wet while I was out there measuring, and that usually slows it down and starts turning to rain, but I don't know what's going to happen with this. It's getting fine and wet right now. You can see I did some cleanup from the last storm. Never got to finish it up. Let's take a look at the front of the house. I don't know if the camera's picking up the snow coming down, but that pine tree all the way up front, on that last storm there were a lot of branches that were bent down, and this maple tree in the front, a lot of these branches were bent right over with the weight. I went out there and knocked some of the snow off because I have a power line on the other side of it. Nice to look at, but I can't wait for this to be gone. I have piles of wood on the left side of the house and over onto the right. Now back at the chicken coop, this is the netting that's over the chicken run, and you can see how that snow is sticking to that netting. That's that plastic netting, and it's weighing it down. I'm going to knock that off before it stretches out. Here's the other side. We have a tree leaning over with the weight of the snow on it. That tree had a little lean to it to begin with, but with the weight of the snow. Chickens usually don't go in until about 6:30, 7 o'clock. They were all in today. They were out until the snow got heavy. There they are, getting ready for the night. It's only about 2:30 right now. Much activity. They're ready to hunker down for the night. And we have 3 eggs over here. Not bad for weather like this. These chickens are about 3 years old, so 10 chickens, 3 eggs. Not too bad of a ratio for this time of year. Roosters are a new addition. Well, I made it in. Other than walking the dog, I don't plan on leaving the house tonight. I'm going to have my dinner, sit by this fireplace, have my coffee, play around on YouTube over here, and call it a night. And guys, there's something else I want to mention. I recently signed up with this TubeBuddy. I don't know if you are familiar with it. It's a browser extension that helps you to manage and optimize your YouTube channel. I only had it for a couple of days, but I have to tell you, it's a tremendous tool. I don't even know all the ins and outs of it yet. I'm putting a link below in the description. Click on that link and go to it. It's a free service. They have a paid version, but it's a free service and it's not a trial version. Click on it, download it, and use it. The time that it'll save is incredible. And because of that, I would have had about 30% more videos for the time that it saved me. Well guys, that's a wrap. If you found this video useful or entertaining, let me know by posting your comments down below. Give it a like. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. And when you do subscribe, hit that little bell icon. That'll notify you every time I post a new video. And until next time, stay warm and stay safe.